That's not my monkey. His ears are too soft. Is that your monkey?
No.
Turn the page. Thank you. That's not my... Is that your monkey?
No.
No? Why? Because his tail is too velvety?
No.
No? Okay. Turn the page, please. Is that your monkey?
No.
Oh, okay. Turn the page, please. Is that one your monkey?
No.
No. Okay, turn the page. How about this one? Is that one your monkey?
No.
No. Is that your monkey?
No. No.
Yes, that's your monkey. His tummy's so fluffy. Smile. Say, that's my monkey.
No.
No, okay. I guess not. Not this time, huh? And you gonna read it again?
Olivia. Olivia.
Look at Daddy.
I love you.
Hi, Mom.
Can you give me a kiss?
Give him a kiss. Give me a kiss. Can you blow Daddy a kiss? I love you. I love you.
She wants to see it.